like legitimate, this might be the dumbest thing I've ever done. But if it works, it's gonna work out big. So, but I'm gonna need you to go ahead and follow, well, subscribe, all that good stuff, because yeah, you guys are gonna be a big part of this if it happens. So here's the deal. I actually might be buying a hotel. I might be buying a big hotel for millions and millions and millions of dollars. And if it works out, yeah. But I'm going to need you to subscribe, and I'm going to need you to watch the videos and comment and let me know what you like and what you don't like, because we're going to make this hotel what you guys like and don't like, and what you can do with that and what you want. I might be doing something dumb. Yeah. I saw it for sale, and I figured, why not? We'll go ask. You got a cute little market. Oh, they've got one of these little bar areas things. That's cool.
For space, the Dallas room that holds about.
Oh, that's all right.
And they're pretty similar stuff.
I like it.
Our smaller conference area.
Oh, I like it.
And then both lead out to the courtyards.
153 rooms. So that's
Oh,
I like that.
They can walk out as well. Eventually want to kind of open that up. I don't think they were managing it very well, and they were.
You got a lot of rooms and balconies.
I hear numbers being thrown out at me all the restrooms as well.
So, laundry. They do have laundry. They wouldn't show me any rooms because the rooms are, they would only show me the common areas, because apparently we got to get scheduled with the bank to be able to see the rooms. Yeah. I don't know. Might be a bad idea. Getting a little excited. I don't need to get excited. I gotta put a pin in it. Okay, so I talked to the broker on that. Actually, it was a hell of a time trying to get a hold of him. And found out that Marriott actually has basically a lock on a property for the life of it until they decide they don't want it anymore. We're talking like 50 years. The building will be falling down. So I could not get that hotel and turn it into anything other than leaving it as a Courtyard by Marriott. Now, I did find out it was given back to the bank by Ashford Hospitality for $13.5 million in debt, but the bank's trying to sell it for $15 million. And I'm like, no, which it's only worth 16. Granted, it's worth 16, but so that was going to be a no. But I think I'm going to go look at another one. Right? Might as well, right? Well, let's see what this is like. Granted, I ain't making no appointments or nothing like that. That is a very small pool. Huh.
For this room.
Yeah, but they probably get multiple people in it. Huh. I'm gonna pop up real quick. It'll be all right. My phone down. Oh, bathroom. Oh, it's a loft. Oh, cool.
Downstairs room yesterday occupied. It's clean.
Oh yeah, fabuloso. You can smell it.
It's just one way.
Little studio thing. That's cool. Oh, I like the Kirknick shower head.
This is breakfast.
I like this.
Yeah.
Basketball, pickleball, tennis. Hey, you see the hot tub?
Because we don't have any room for storage.
Oh wow,
So
I get it. Kind of steep to be a meeting room anyhow, right?
yeah.
$6.7 million for 72 rooms. 15 already remodeled. The numbers don't work. The math ain't mathing on it. But the pool's got to be redone. A whole bunch of stuff's got to be redone. It's just not a value for me. You guys know I like a value, right? And so yeah, I don't know. Don't get me wrong. This would have to be something I would have to involve a bank or an investor kind of deal to be able to get this done. And I've actually got a few investors who are like, this is a great idea. But I'm not just jumping into a bad deal. Because if I bring a bad deal to them, they're going to be like, no. So, anyway, all right, on to the next one. Okay, I got one more I'm looking at, but I actually called the broker first, and they said that I could not tell anybody here it was for sale, even though it's listed on like 40,000 websites. Apparently they haven't told staff, which is kind of weird and also kind of makes me feel a bit shady, but they want like $11 million for this place. So, but I'm not gonna post that on this video. However, I'm gonna tell you, I need you to do this for me. I want you to go through and let me know all the things you love and hate, and also can do without in hotels. Leave it in the comments. That way I kind of know, because this is getting real. I've got kind of a plan. This may actually happen. And yeah. So, but I'm going to go in here. So, yeah, later. Oh man, there's a lot to think about. I think I need to look at some more. And yeah, I need to talk to some people, ask some questions, learn some more. There's a lot I need to do. Yeah, because this is a big deal. I came to look at another hotel. But this one I've actually stayed at before several times. They want like $6 million for it. This one, it's all boarded up. And what's funny is I actually almost stayed here the other night. I haven't stayed here in a while, but I almost stayed here the other night. And I'm sitting there and I'm like, I wonder what happened to cause them to board it up like that. It's not a bad place. It's actually got some good bones. It's an older structure. So, and they boarded it up not to, I mean, it doesn't look like it's burned out or anything, but they boarded it up so people didn't break into it, I guess. Yeah, the pool's about the same though. I'll be honest. Could be it. Like, I don't know, I gotta talk to people. But if we were wanting something that we can actually take over and turn into an independent, clearly the contract's broken. Choice no longer has this one under lock and key, so we wouldn't have to pay to bring. Hey, my hair. Sorry, I should be wearing a hat. So this might be a good one. I stopped staying here because I woke up and there was roaches. But we sprayed the holy heck out of this place for that. But let's go look at another one or two. You guys already know about this one. It's this one they want like 6.3 million, but Choice has it locked in, so you'd have to spend like 2 million on a renovation for no reason, and it's only 3-story, so it doesn't have a whole lot of rooms. I mean, I think it's fine. I actually enjoy the place. I stay here all the time. Might stay here tonight. I don't know. So this one's actually for auction, and looking for bids and stuff. It's kind of cool so far. Looks like they got a little bar. Little area. That's cool. I like that. Cool. Okay.
This is the king?
This is the king room?
Yeah.
Well, that's not horrible. You can do a lot with that.
It just,
what curious?
I mean, the room, as you can tell, they're just old. Very outdated.
Well, that's kind of interesting. All
The
right.
king as well.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
That's
I mean, only thing is, it's two queens.
Yeah, no, I got the same room.
Yeah.
But these open up to each other, and I'm assuming this is the normal bathroom. Oh, yeah. Tall curtains. Cool.
That's what we're going to
Got a gym. Oh, that's... It's got to be an amazing view, so I'm going to walk up there. That guy actually has a meeting to get to, but he was kind enough to show us a couple of rooms. But, yeah. I'm sure that's got to be cool. That's kind of long stairs, but they're cool. I mean, really long stairs. Holy cow. That's kind of cool. I like this style. I'm not walking down. If you walk down, how can you not see that? Yay! It's my favorite part about elevators and hotels. When you can actually see down and see through. So nobody knows it's me. I thought I was gonna stuck in here. Definitely intrigued. It's seems like it's got opportunities for sure. Okay, so that one's a Hilton, but it's not under lock and key because the bank has basically they're not going to operate anymore. It's actually for auction, and so they're not under a PIP. They're not under anything. It's just they can be whatever they want to be. You can turn it into an independent. Not a big deal. Current bid is a little over $1 million. So, but it's still got 45 days left in it. Yeah. Well, there's this one. I don't necessarily know. It's old, been painted, but it looks like they've done a lot of work. So I'm curious. I'm just gonna ask about it. Yeah, I got the heebie-jeebies. I'm not playing this game. My bad. No, I don't like this play. It just feels wrong. So we did put in a bid on one of the properties we looked at, and it's not a formal bid. It's a term request. So essentially, we put in and said, "Hey, we would do this deal with these terms if you're interested. However, we would need to see a whole bunch more, and there's a lot of things that would be going into it before we would sign any paperwork on it." Okay, here's the deal. We've actually gone through, done the business plans for the most part. We still have some fine tuning to do. In the business plans that we have done, we've actually gone ahead and elected a way that we can actually give back to you guys in different forms. You're going to have to stay tuned for that because we've got a whole lot of hurdles to jump through. So, but go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and, you know, go back, like I said, go back, comment, let us know what you like and you don't like. I love you guys. Thank you for helping me along the way to make this happen. It might truly happen sooner than later. I don't know yet, but we're working on it.